We'll guide you through how to turn off stolen device protection on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So stolen device protection turned on. Some settings you're unable to be able to go and change because of this setting. And you may want to go and have it turned off anyway for other reasons as well. So we'll guide you through the different steps. Do just remember this setting is an important one to have turned on really, as if your iPhone goes and gets stolen, it can go and help protect it. But if you're sure you want to go and turn it off, we'll guide you through what you need to do in this video. So make sure it's this full video. So what you want to do is go and open up your iPhone and go and find the settings option and open it up. Next, you need to go down and we're going to go and find the option for privacy and security. As you can see, here it is, and you want to go and tap on it to go and open it up. Once you're here, you're then going to see loads of different settings relating to this, but you need to go and scroll down as we're looking for the setting for stolen device protection. As you click the bottom, you can see mine's currently on, so we can go and tap there. Now, you're going to go and see that this adds another layer of security to your iPhone in the event it's stolen and someone knows your passcode. So what you can do is, if yours is set to away from familiar locations, ideally be in a familiar location. Otherwise, when you try and turn this off, there will be a delay. If the setting is set to always, there'll be a delay anyway. So as I'm in a familiar location and it's set to away from familiar locations, I'm able to go and turn this off without needing to go and wait. So I can then do Face ID, and we've now successfully gone and turned it off. As I said though, if you're away from a familiar location or that settings to always require the delay, then you'll need to go and wait. So the delay is an hour, and then after that's gone completed, you can then go and change the setting. So there we go. Hopefully now you're going to manage to go and turn that off, and you can then do whatever you want to, because it can go and prevent you from doing certain things, as I said before.